So I tried out the Redtiger F77, the world's first dual 4K Dual Starvis 2 dashcam, and after using it for a few days, here's my first conclusion. Why buy anything else? I mean, really, why buy anything else? Because this dashcam can give you what no other dashcam can even think of. So I'm quite sure that you have been one of those people who have been waiting for a review video of the Redtiger F77 on my channel. But what I can surely say in this quick review video is that you don't have to wait for the detailed review. You can go ahead and blindly buy this camera for yourself. It's simply that good. But here's the thing, rather than just tell you, let me show you why the Redtiger F77 is so special and why you should be buying it right now. So just take a look at this video sample. So this is the front camera shooting 4K resolution backed by Starvis-2 IMX678 sensor. And you might say this is an excellent footage. I mean, similar to what most other 4K Starvis-2 cameras bring to the table. I mean, I would agree with you, and it's right on top, right on par with the best cameras out there. But what's happening on the screen right now? I mean, like, why is the front camera moving backwards? Well, here's the twist. This is not the front camera, but this is the rear camera of the Redtiger F77, and this is what brings the change. This is what makes the camera an unparalleled pioneer in the dashcam market. You will not be able to differentiate between the video quality from the front camera and the rear camera. I mean, tell me honestly, when you first saw this footage, were you able to make out that this might be a rear camera video quality? Well, of course, except for the motion of the car and except for those defogger lines which are slightly visible on the rear windshield, except for those two factors, no one would probably be able to recognize that this is a rear camera video footage. Where every other dash camera in the market focuses more on the video quality of the front camera and doesn't do much about the rear camera quality, this is what Redtiger has to offer to you. The same resolution, the same sensor, and the same video quality what you would expect from a front dash cam, you will get it with the rear dash camera. That being said, let's just change the perspective and move to the front camera sample. So except for the direction of motion of the car and the bonnet which I'm seeing on the screen right now, I probably wouldn't be able to differentiate this with the rear camera video quality. Both are exactly the same. Well, there are certain key points regarding the video quality from the front and the rear camera which I will be discussing in detail in the upcoming full review video. But in this quick review, what I can show you, what I can tell you is that both the front and the rear camera qualities are top notch, and you will not see any level of compromise in the rear camera video quality and even in the front camera's video quality. This is the dream dashcam. This is the superhero of all dashcams because it brings to the table an equal performance from both front and the rear cameras, and the quality itself is staggering, is absolutely beautiful. This is the kind of video footage which you should be expecting from your dash camera, and the Redtiger F77 really lives up to its name. So it's not just the video quality from the front and the rear cameras that's truly impressive about the F77. There are a host of other features which I'll be discussing in detail in the upcoming review video, which you might definitely love about this dashcam. But if you're already interested in purchasing this dashcam, don't miss this opportunity to grab it right now. The purchase link is given in the description below, and if you use my affiliate link, you can also grab a free hardwire kit along with the dash camera. Don't miss this opportunity to grab the best dashcam that's available in India and in the world right now. That being said, if this video has helped you out in any way, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button, and also don't go away without hitting the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. If you have any queries or doubts regarding this camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. The full review will be dropping in the upcoming week. Make sure you stay tuned to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.